Well, come on in and let the fun begin. I am Chef Gwen. Hi, I'm Chef Gwen, and some of my fans have been asking me when I'm going to start another video. And so my answer is right now. Now, one of my fans works in an ice cream shop, and another one of my fans is a boy named Lucas, and his birthday is coming up. And birthdays and ice cream, you know what that makes in cooking? Ice cream cake! And the best thing about my ice cream cake is that there is no cooking involved. This is what you'll need for my ice cream cake. First, you should always be creative because ice cream cake needs three main parts. The crust, of course, the ice cream, and if you want some kind of topping. For example, I use fresh fruit. Now, something that's good for birthday parties would be little miniature pie pans. And for the crust, you should be creative. You can use graham cracker crust, brownie crust, but right now, for my crust, I'm crushing Rice Krispies and drizzling Nutella all over them. But if you don't have Nutella, that's okay, because you can just use chocolate or chocolate sauce or whatever. And for my friend Lucas, I'm going to put a 4-year-old candle. First, I get the crust made. So, I dumped Rice Krispies up to about 2 cups in a measuring cup. I heated about 2 big scoops of Nutella for about 30 seconds in the microwave. Now, be careful that you gradually put the Rice Krispies into the warm Nutella. And it's okay if the spoon is still in. I'm using my spatula to fold the Rice Krispies into the Nutella. Well, then you take your mixed up Rice Krispies and Nutella and put some scoops in the pie pan. Then you can use gloves or plastic bags and push the Rice Krispies and Nutella down in the pan. And make sure you push them down very even and flat because you still need room for the ice cream. Well, when you're patting down the pie crust, you need to make sure to scoop it up on the edges and fill the bottom. Don't forget to make room for the ice cream. Now this may sound funny, but when you're done your pie crust, I'm gonna let my Nutella and Rice Krispies freeze while my ice cream melts. My ice cream has been defrosting, and my pan and my crust has been freezing in the freezer for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to slowly pour my ice cream with my spatula into the pie crust. You need to make sure not to mush it around too much, because the pie crust might be a bit delicate after setting in the freezer. This is the final dump. It'll come out in one big plop. Then, after that's done, you're going to slowly press the ice cream into the edges of the pan. You should be very careful with this part, because now, when you have that done, it's gonna start looking like an actual ice cream cake. All right, time to put it back in the freezer. It is so easy, I'm ashamed it's even called a recipe. I washed my fruit. Well, this was a pie froze. Some people like to freeze the fruit right on the pie, but I think it tastes better when you put the fruit on separately. But of course, a candle. Boy, I look way more surprised at my work, but unfortunately my bangs cover my eyebrows. I just kept thinking about what I'm gonna do and how I'm gonna do it. Now that I'm finally making the video, now for the finishing touch. It took a lot of hard work, but finally I'm done with this awesome, delicious pie. Hey, I'm Chef Gwen. I finished my pie and I'm ready to eat it.